Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you're looking to turn your wooden or composite deck into a vibrant, lush retreat, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the art of outdoor deck garden planters design. Outdoor deck garden planters design is the practice of strategically choosing, arranging, and styling raised containers, planter boxes, and pots specifically for elevated deck spaces. Rather than planting directly into ground soil, deck planter design focuses on container gardening techniques that integrate seamlessly with your deck structure, railing, and outdoor furniture. It combines functional layout planning with aesthetic choices like material selection, plants with varied textures, and height layering to create a cohesive living area. Incorporating custom planter designs on your deck brings a wide array of practical and aesthetic benefits. First, planters maximize limited square footage, allowing homeowners without large yards to enjoy lush greenery, fresh herbs, and blooming flowers right outside their back door. Additionally, deck planters can act as natural privacy screens or spatial dividers, partitioning seating areas from open space without constructing heavy walls. They also elevate gardening to a comfortable height, significantly reducing the physical strain of bending over or kneeling. Furthermore, container gardening gives you total control over soil quality, drainage, and location flexibility, making it vastly easier to care for seasonal plants and protect delicate species from harsh weather conditions. To make your deck planters look truly stunning, start by playing with scale, texture, and color. Use the classic thriller, filler, spillover formula inside large containers to build visual depth. Place a tall focal plant in the center, surround it with medium-sized flowering plants, and finish with trailing vines that gracefully drape over the edges. Mixing materials such as combining natural wood boxes with sleek black ceramics or terracotta pots adds rich texture to the space. Layering your planters at different height levels, using plant stands, steps, or built-in benches, creates a dynamic flow rather than a flat horizon. Finally, finish the look with ambient solar lighting, decorative mulch, and subtle accent pieces to make your deck garden feel like a luxurious resort at night. Selecting the right plants for your deck containers ensures long-lasting beauty with minimal stress. For sunny decks, robust flowering annuals like petunias, geraniums, and verbena thrive effortlessly alongside heat-tolerant succulents and ornamental grasses like fountain grass or blue fescue. If your deck receives partial shade, consider lush foliage plants like hostas, vibrant coleus, ferns, and colorful begonias. Aromatic herbs such as rosemary, basil, lavender, and mint are also ideal for deck planters, offering an aromatic sensory experience right next to your seating area. Always remember to group plants together that share similar sun exposure and watering requirements. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best outdoor deck garden planters design ideas to spark your creativity. One. Tiered charcoal wooden box centerpiece. A multi-level dark wood pyramid planter structure creates an eye-catching central focal point on light wood decking. Filled with cascading ivy, bright pink petunias, and topiary plants, this design provides maximum planting volume while saving valuable floor space. 2. Modern rooftop deck planter oasis. Sleek, low-profile gray rectangular trough planters combined with dark ceramic pots form a sophisticated perimeter along a metal railing. Featuring tall ornamental grasses, burgundy-leafed foliage, and fresh herbs, this layout delivers a clean architectural aesthetic for urban decks. 3. Integrated seating and multi-pot deck garden. Dark composite planter boxes lined along built-in rattan seating make this deck both functional and inviting. The setup uses large rounded planters filled with lush evergreens, cascading succulents, and vibrant purple blooms to frame the cozy outdoor lounge area. 4. Built-in corner bench planter wall. A wide, warm-toned composite deck features a long built-in elevated planter box integrated seamlessly along the perimeter wall. Packed with variegated shrubs, bright pink flowers, and tall grasses, this structure offers privacy while highlighting clean geometric decking lines. 5. Raised wooden box deck grid layout. A spacious light-colored timber deck arranged with multiple raised wooden planter boxes and metal trellises. This versatile layout supports climbing vines, boxwood topiaries, and bright marigolds, blending traditional gardening with a modern open-air feel. 6. Colorful DIY pallet entire lounge nook. An eco-friendly bohemian-style deck arrangement built with upcycled pallet walls, colorful painted tires, and wooden crates. Filled with a vibrant mix of potted herbs and annual flowers, this playful design adds charm, personality, and budget-friendly function. 7. Multi-tiered hardwood terrace planters. Rich reddish-brown hardwood planters step down gradually along an elevated deck structure. Loaded with trailing green vines, purple petunias, lavender, and lush foliage, these built-in boxes define different levels while surrounding an outdoor dining nook with natural beauty. 8. L-shaped cedar corner planter box. A custom cedar L-shaped planter box designed perfectly to fit the corner of a deck railing. Featuring built-in top post lighting, a red Japanese maple center, fragrant rosemary, and trailing ivy, this space-saving design turns an unused corner into a showstopper. 9. Rustic weathered wood vegetable and herb deck. A modern rustic deck equipped with deep, weathered graywood planter boxes designed for growing edibles like tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens. Paired with elegant seating and dining space, it proves deck planters can be both beautiful and productive. 10. Cozy fire pit deck framed by cedar planters. 2 massive cedar planter boxes flank a modern fire pit lounge area on a warm wood deck. Featuring miniature trees, tall ornamental grasses, and cascading trailing greenery, these planters create a secluded, resort-like atmosphere perfect for evening relaxation. Whether you have a small balcony deck or a sprawling outdoor entertainment area, adding thoughtful planter designs instantly breathes life, color, and comfort into your home. With a little creativity and the right plant choices, your deck can quickly become your favorite room in the house. Which of these 10 deck planter designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Happy gardening!